Dungog ra ko.
Oh, mandungog ra ka ako sa una. Ako na screen record ha. Good day everyone, and now I'm going to discuss the overview of strategies in obtaining good people skills. Please go next slide. So, McQuarrie 2019 presents the following strategies in maintaining good people skills, which are essential in a meaningful, joyful, and purpose-driven life the teachers also need to know. So here, McQuarrie emphasizes that maintaining good people skills helps us to build trust, reduce misunderstandings, and resolve conflicts more effectively. So these are qualities that create positive, productive, and respectful relationships, which are the foundation of any successful classroom or school community. Next, go. So we have here the strategies in maintaining good people skills or obtaining good people skills. First, we have the good communication skills, conflict resolution skills, the value of patience and tolerance and understandings. So if you have good people skills, no, you can connect better with students, colleagues, and parents. For example, a teacher with strong interpersonal skills can create a supportive and engaging classroom environment where students feel comfortable and asking questions and expressing themselves. This not only improves student learning and motivation but also helps in managing classroom behavior more effectively. Furthermore, good people skills allow educators to collaborate with fellow teachers and communicate clearly with parents, leading to a more cohesive and successful educational experience for everyone involved. So that's all for my part. Thank you for listening.
So, am I audible? Madungog
Yes.
ra ko. Okay. So, good day everyone. So, I am Jerlyn B. Sumbal. So, for the continuation, we will be discussing about the value of patience. So, the value of patience. So, this presentation will explore why patience is a key people skill that contributes significantly to both personal and professional success. So we'll look at its definition, applications, and how to cultivate it. So next slide, please. So what is patience? So patience is an exceptional people skill. It means staying calm even in stressful situations. So essential for both personal and professional growth. So patience is the ability to remain calm in the face of frustration or adversity. So it reflects emotional strength and self-control, making it a vital component or interpersonal interactions and long-term success. So next slide, please. So why patience matters? So it helps maintain a calm and even temper. It allows one to repeat and explain information when necessary, and it is crucial during challenging or high pressure situations. So patience allows us individual to think clearly, respond thoughtfully, and remain composed. So it supports clear communication, and improved resilience in high stress situations. So next slide, please. So why next ko Sash? So patience in the workplace. So leads to better communication with colleagues, reduces conflicts and misunderstandings, supports problem solving and decision making. So in professional settings, patience improves teamwork and reduces conflict. So it helps colleagues collaborative effectively. So listen actively and work through challenges without unnecessary tension. So next slide, please. So patience in teaching. So it is essential for managing classrooms effectively. So it helps in repeating instructions and addressing diverse learning paces. It creates a positive and inclusive learning environment. So for educators, patience is crucial because students learn at different paces, and teachers must adopt their approach without frustration. So patience helps build a supportive learning environment. So next slide, please. So how to develop patience? So practice deep breathing during stress. Next is reframe negative thoughts. Next is reflect before responding to difficult situations. And also focus on long-term goals. So developing patience involves conscious effort. So practicing mindfulness, reframing negative thoughts, and staying goal focused can gradually enhance one's ability to remain calm and steady. So next slide, please. So in conclusion, so patience is a powerful tool for success. It it strengthens relationship, builds trust, builds trust and fosters understanding, and also make patience a daily practice. So patience is more than just waiting. It's about how we behave while waiting. So practicing patience improves relationship, promote mental well-being, and builds a strong foundation for long-term success. And that would be all for my part. Thank you.